When an industry plans for a new product or an entrepreneur plans for first production, then one of the important technical dimensions that they need to go through is break-even analysis. Let us see what is break-even analysis. It's a financial calculation for determining the number of products or services a company should sell to cover its cost, and particularly fixed cost. Break-even is a situation where you are neither making money or losing money. It establishes relation between fixed cost, variable cost, and sales revenue. Now, what is fixed cost and variable cost? The cost independent to volume of production is called fixed cost. It remains constant with varying output. For example, cost of building or land, cost of machines and their installation cost, etc. Now, the variable cost is the cost depends upon the volume of production and it varies with output. For example, cost of raw materials and running cost of machines. Now, the break-even analysis is done by graph between quantity and cost. So, the fixed cost will be a horizontal line since it is independent of the quantity. That means it will remain constant with increase in quantity, and the variable cost will increase with quantity. Hence, the total cost line will be above the fixed cost line and parallel to variable cost line. Now, the sales revenue line, which will be 0 at 0 quantity and will increase with increase in quantity. The point where sales revenue line crosses the total cost line is called break-even point, and the quantity corresponding to that point is called break-even quantity, and at that quantity total cost will be equal to sales revenue. So at break-even point in break-even quantity, the producer will neither in loss nor in profit. From this graph we can make observation that if the producer will produce quantity less than the break-even quantity and sells it, he will be in loss, and if he will produce product in quantity more than the break-even quantity, then only he will be in profit. Now let us find the relationship between break-even quantity, fixed cost, variable cost, and sales revenue. Total cost will be equal to fixed cost plus variable cost per unit into the quantity to be produced, and the total sales revenue will be equal to the sales revenue per unit into quantity to be produced. Now at break-even point, the quantity will be equal to the break-even quantity and total cost will be equal to total sales revenue. By this we can find break-even quantity equal to fixed cost divided by sales revenue per unit minus variable cost per unit. By using this relation, the entrepreneur or the producer can determine break-even quantity at which he will be in no profit no loss condition, and definitely he should plan for the quantity more than the break-even quantity to have profit.